Hey everyone, I'm Chef Mark Reinfeld. I'm a plant-based author and chef, and I'd love to introduce you to this super simple, raw chocolate cherry energy ball. This recipe is a template recipe for an energy ball, and lots of variations are possible. I'm placing these pecans into the food processor to get a good pulse chop on them, and then I'm adding the dates, raw cacao, cinnamon, cardamom, a little drizzle of maple syrup, and then I'm just gonna zap that in the food processor until it's well processed. Then I'm pulling a little bit of the mixture out to form a ball, and then into that ball I'm gonna place in the center some of my cherries, and then wrap the outside around that so the cherries are in the center, and then I'm gonna roll that in a shredded coconut. So this is a great high energy superfood snack that you can enjoy on the go. It's easy to prepare, it stores well, and it's perfect for after workout or when you're on the road traveling.